welcome to Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. I am working on Thanksgiving food, and what I'm doing right now are oven crispy potatoes. And all I have are yellow potatoes. That's what they call them. Not Yukon, not anything, just yellow potatoes. I am going to put in a sprig of rosemary in there. And you can put whatever herbs you want in there to make them your own. And I'm going to put some chicken broth in there. And I'm going to bring them to a boil for about 15 minutes. Whole box gets them pretty much covered. Yep, they're all covered. I've got my sprig of rosemary in there. That's going to impart a lot of flavor at this stage. There we go. Salt, because this is the only time you can get salt into your inside of the potato. There we go. Just going to put it on the stove, bring it up to a boil, let them boil probably at that time 10-15 minutes, and we'll be back. Oh my gosh, I wish you could just smell it from my part. You can smell the rosemary. They're just, see, they're simmering. I just want the outside so I can smash them up a bit. All right? They've got a few more minutes to go, and I'll show you what to do next. My potatoes are done, and I've drained them. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to shake them. Then I'm going to put them in oil with the rosemary. This, I preheated the oil in the oven. Those potatoes taste good as they are. Now what I'm going to do is just put them in the oven and let them get crispy. I'll halfway through flip them. So I did them a little bit longer. They're breaking apart. That's why you don't want to do them a little bit longer, because then when you shake them, you break them. Be right back. They've been in for about 15 minutes, and I'm just putting oil over top of them. And spread them out, put them back in the oven, and let them crisp up. That's all. See, they should be all nice and whole, like this one, but some I cut a little too thin and they got a little too done. So I would say maybe 10 minutes after they start to boil. And make sure to cut them thick. Thicker, like 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Now they're gonna go back in the oven until they're done. Welcome back. My potatoes are done. Look at them. Look how golden brown they are. They look so lovely around a turkey roulade that you will go blow your mind. They are so good and they are so crunchy, but they are so creamy on the inside. I salted them as soon as I got them out of the oven. Listen. So the outside is so crunchy. But like I said, the inside is creamy. Tastes like rosemary. I can taste the salt on the inside a little bit. Look, can you see? It's like a mashed potato. And then crispy outside with the taste of rosemary and the taste of salt. Oh, these are delicious. When we were younger, we used to, see, hear that? Fight over the crunchies. All right. I will be back with more recipes. I will start on them tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed the recipes so far. I have been working very diligently to get them out to you. And for these recipes, and these potatoes are so easy. They're potatoes, rosemary, salt, and oil. Less than 5 ingredients. And they are wowzy, wow, wow. So for this recipe, there's really not a recipe to it. It's just a method. Oh, and there's chicken broth. I'm sorry. So for this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Go to YouTube, subscribe to Facebook, make comments, tell me what you want, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. and we will have fun. Thank you from my family and my heart to your family. God bless and have a wonderful Thanksgiving.